In this video, I'm going to show you how I hold my yarn when I crochet. There are lots of different ways that you can hold your yarn when you crochet, but this is the way that works for me. I will wrap the yarn around my pinky and then bring it in front of my hand. At this point, I put the yarn between my middle finger and my index finger, and I use these two fingers to control the movement of the yarn. Again, around my pinky, in front of my hand, and between my middle finger and index finger. And ultimately, I'm holding the project in my right hand, but after I yarn over, I switch the project from my right hand to my left hand so that I can control the crochet hook. As you can see, over the course of making this stitch, I'm passing the work back and forth between my hands. So one more time. This yarn is coming from the work. I wrap that around my pinky, bring it in front of my hand, close my fingers around the yarn, and have the yarn coming out between my middle and index fingers. It's staying in front of my index finger, and I'm able to move it around.